Found this in a car. What's happening? We're back with the little IBIZA. This has been on the back burner for a few weeks. I've just been too busy. It wasn't a planned job. This is the BAM converted one that we did a while back. Since then, the turbo seized up. The oil seals went. It flooded the intercooler with oil, as you will see right now. What happened there?
I've stopped it.
Why?
I don't know. Carry on.
Anyway, I can insert videos, mate. Find me old video. Anyway, yeah. So, intercooler and shit was just full of oil. We believe that has caused an hydro lock. We've since put a new turbo on it, and it is smoking its bag off. I know you can't see in here, but it is, yeah, it's a bit smoky. So we believe it's got head lift. It looks to be tint of red mist on top of piston number 1, and it looks a rather little bit cleaner than the other ones. And compression test is also, I think it was 40 psi down with it or something on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So yeah, so we're going to get cracked on with this. We have got a head lined up. We've got a couple of spare heads, just need to find a good one. Yeah, we're going to get this head whipped off and another head whipped on, new head gasket, new head bolts, and pray. Silly. So, we've got into the job. If you'd like to come round here, Abdul, you'll see the head has been removed. Piston number 1 was very, very shiny. This is a good indication that it's getting cleaned out with coolant. That was the very, very suspect cylinder. As when we put the boroscope down, it looked very wet down there. Head is removed. The deck's having a bit of a tidy up. We've just ordered some egg gasket, some head bolts and an egg gasket. I'm hoping they're here tomorrow stroke Thursday. I've just got to make a decision on which head we are going to use, or do I go and get the old head skimmed. I'm unsure as of yet, but I will report back when we get there.
They should just relax, shouldn't they?
Yeah, man.
And shit's all over the bedroom floor. Fucking red hot. Oh.
That is going to go on there.
And I'm gonna go out there.
What for?
Bit of fresh air, mate. Glorious rain.
Shut the fuck up, man.
Rain is beautiful.
Fuck off. Fuck off. Oops. Need to stop blowing it down coolant holes, don't I? Pretty fucking sick is that, like. Yeah.
Got some rape.
Yeah. I'm happy with that, mate. Yeah, man. I think what we'll do now is we'll get the his inlet manifold. We'll spin that round, put his new gasket on, put his inlet manifold on.
Yeah.
Then all we've got to do tomorrow is exhaust gasket, exhaust manifold,
Yeah.
head back on, cam belt, tensioner. We'll probably set his tensioner up ready. Yeah, get head gasket on ready.
That works thick, does it?
Yeah? What? Still need that actually.
Right?
Still need that actually.
What, this gun?
What's he saying? Oh yes, he's had enough, my guy, he's had enough. He's going sick, he's going sick over there, ain't he, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Going sick. Yeah, boy.
You fucking want some?
I want some. New head. Fix the old nut bolt for the injector rail whilst I was there. That has made a bit more of a mess. Need some more cleaning down on that before tomorrow. Take two.
The gorgeous voice of Jess Glynn with All I Am on Radio 1 Anthems. Now, as someone with the singing voice of a ghost, but who loves a chance in the spotlight at karaoke, I'm always
Scratch fuck out of that gasket out there.
Yeah, and head. So do you want to get maybe that side?
And
if you can.
get here and you
And I'll get here.
side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To me. What am I stuck on? I'm stuck on this pipe here. Will it go down a bit? Why is that there?
Yeah?
No, we're miles off.
Like it's gone well over two, doesn't it?
That's it.
Oh yeah? I only think it could.
What shall I do now then, boss?
so of course.
Okay, boss.
To ask about.
So as you can see, the new head is on. Some of you eagle-eyed viewers will noticed that we forgot to put this on, which is not actually required in most cases. However, this is required in our case, as we have made a custom bracket that comes up here, and this bolts to it, and it holds this charge pipe off of the exhaust manifold. You'll also notice Finley's probably still sat down, as per. Looking at some silly stuff. Yeah, so we're going to get the turbos on. Turbos all bolted up. That went swimmingly. It can be a bit of a pain in the ass sometimes, but yeah, we cleaned up the threads on the bolts. New gasket is on. We've just got to put the cam belt on, cam belt tensioner. We're going to clean up the valve cover, new gasket, and we're going to get this all back together and finalised. So yeah, if you've made it this far, keep watching. As you can see, Kieran is picking Jamie's nose. Our man from Europe, he'll probably like that. He is the boss. Cam belt is now on. Yeah, it is the old cam belt. It is relatively new. That is all on, all tensioned up. Everything's lovely. Valve cover to go on some more bits. So yeah, stick with us. Yeah, she's going back together. We've got some heat shields and things to put on. Fuel pipes put on, coolant lines to go on. Boost pipes are going back on. Engine mounts back on. Cam belt is back on. Cam belt cover is back on. That is going on right now. We've then got a custom bracket which we've made to hold this up off of the turbo because that gets extremely hot. We've also got a blanket which goes around the rubber bit. That's also good. We've then got the catch can kit and things to go back on. But the main thing is it is getting there. That's for the N75 valve. That's good. Yeah, we're getting there. That is this done. Finished. New turbo, new egg gasket, new bolt, new cam belt, it was brand new. We have put 10 miles on this. 12 very, very hard miles. This thing is rapid, and I mean it is. For what it is fast as. It's brilliant. It's a lot of fun. We have had, obviously, original turbo blow, it literally filled everything with oil. I think we poured probably a litre after intercooler. Obviously got exhaust is full of it, and I mean full of it. Got a back box, that's going to be full of oil. We noticed, obviously when we first started smoking its bag off, eventually it did clear up. At idle, it would then start smoking. That is getting a hell of a lot better over time. Fans are just fixing, it's holding coolant. As you can see, there's none. I mean, that's been sat here for probably 20 minutes at idle. And there's no smoke. I think what it is, when it is smoking, it's just pulling the rest of the shit from intercooler pipe. I mean, they have been seeing that. You can never keep them out 100%. I don't care what anybody says. Obviously, the catch can, the empty catch can, that was full of oil, level, and it does seem to have done the trick. I'm going to give Lewis a ring. Time to go and pick it up. Put some miles on it. Not hard miles. I know how he drives this. Those tyres were brand new, and if you looked at them, they were not so that they were brand new. Like not long ago. Yeah, this is a very fun car. It's a quick car. I'm going to class this as finished. We may have to revisit this, we may not. Fingers crossed we don't. I'll give him a tinkle, then come and collect it. That's that done.